Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace from this receptacle to a white new one, looking nice in your small project, in your remodel. So we actually have like a 3 wires, so we need to make like the connection between 2 wires, so we have like a place to install it. I will show you how we do this, and yeah, but the best way is just to, if you're not sure, just the best way to hire the licensed electrical. But I will show you how to make it yourself, very easy and simple. So right now what I do with the scissors, I clean the wires. So we have like a bare wire here to make the connections. Okay, we do like about ½ inch, like you see. So ½ inch. You don't need to measure it with your tape measure, just on about ½ inch. It's not really make big difference, just will be a little easier to work with it. So yeah, like you see, like that. And make sure that your ground wire is clean too. So now what we do, we connect like 2 blacks. So we have white, 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 black, black, black. Okay, all the whites on one side. Okay, so right now we connect two black wires. It's actually black, it's just like a little bit paint here, but this is like hot wire. So we connect it together like this. Take the pliers and do like nice connection between them, like that. So it's that way, it doesn't take a very big place. And here we connect like the 3rd wire that will actually connect our receptacle. So you connect these 3 wires, put the cap on it, like that. So now it's connected, and you hide this cap inside the box. Okay, so one black is ready, ground is ready, and we do the same with the white, with the neutral. Okay, so what we have right now, we have 2 hots ready and 2 whites ready, 2 neutrals, and the ground. We clean the ground, so it will be perfect connection on it from any paint or any dirt that it have. Now we take these pliers and we take the end of the wire and make like a shape for the screw, like this. And all wires need to be done like that. See, it's ready right now. Very simple, easy. Of course, it takes time. I don't say that it's very fast and very, I mean, it's simple, but you need to have some patience to make it. So, but if you want to make it free, what's the most of people looking for, to have everything free and nice, so this is the option. This is the option how to make it actually free. Yeah, so that's why I'm showing it to you guys. But again, if you decide to make it, you do it on your own risk. I just show you some details how I do this, sharing with you my experience. And you need to understand, if you know what you're doing and you understand all the system and all the how it's work, it's pretty simple. If you're not sure, better never touch the electrical stuff, because it's very dangerous, and can cost you a lot of money to fix after. So right now you can see this is ready. So my wire going here, hot wire, neutral, and the ground. It's ready to go. So to push it in, you usually do like this. First push it a little bit back, and then it's ready to go. Okay, that's it. Now I need to bring it longer. When you have the backsplash, you need to have like a cover for it, like a spacer for it. I will bring the spacer and bigger screws, and I will show you how to install the spacer there. Okay, so this spacer, let's push it. Okay, so install, and then we push it back. So, take the screw. Take a drill. Usually this drill, this is easier and faster, but again, if you don't have if it's a little bit like bended, you to push it inside there, make it more like level, and screw in all the way, and that's it. It's ready. Thank you for watching. Please support with like, leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I hope this video was useful for you and help you. So something like that. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.